From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of waking up with a dry throat and stuffy nose? The Honeywell Dual Comfort Cool plus WARM MIST Humidifier is here to change that. This game-changing device is a total lifesaver, providing both cool and warm mist to combat dry air and keep you comfortable all year round. With its easy setup and user-friendly interface, you'll be breathing easy in no time. The Honeywell Dual Comfort Cool plus WARM MIST Humidifier is incredibly popular and well-reviewed by thousands of satisfied customers who swear by its effectiveness. One of the best things about this humidifier is its versatility. You can choose between cool and warm mist, depending on your mood, the weather, or the time of year. Imagine feeling the soothing warm mist on a chilly winter morning, or the refreshing cool mist on a hot summer evening. The device has 3 mist settings for both cool and warm, allowing you to customize your comfort level. Plus, the essential oil cup lets you add a calming scent to the mist, filling your room with a relaxing aroma. The Honeywell Dual Comfort Cool plus WARM MIST Humidifier is also a total relief for people who suffer from coughs and congestion. By maintaining the perfect indoor humidity levels, it helps to keep your throat and nasal passages hydrated, making it easier to breathe and sleep. And with its up to 36-hour runtime, you can enjoy uninterrupted comfort all day and night. Whether you're looking to alleviate dry air discomfort or just want to create a cozy atmosphere, this humidifier is the perfect solution. So why wait? Get your hands on the Honeywell Dual Comfort Cool plus WARM MIST Humidifier and start feeling the difference for yourself. With its impressive features and benefits, it's no wonder this product is a top choice among humidifier users. As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.